CIET NCERT presents audiobook Interactions, activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10.
Page 1.
Chapter 1 Sports and Games.
Learning Outcomes 1.
Learners will be able to listen for gist, specific information, and detail in the given text.
2.
Learners will be able to express their thoughts and ideas coherently.
3.
Learners will be able to listen to the interview and answer the questions based on it.
4.
Learners will be able to talk about the qualities of a sportsperson. Now we will move to the appendix of Chapter 1.
Page number 137.
Appendix 1. Now Rima and Rahul will interview the great sportsperson Mary Kom. Rima says,
Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity to interview you.
Mary Kom replies,
My pleasure, Rima. I love children and enjoy talking with them. I have twin sons of my own. Rahul says,
You are an Olympic medalist, a 5-time world amateur boxing champion, and a Padma Bhushan recipient. What made you take up boxing? Mary Kom replies,
I was born in a poor tribal family in a village in Manipur. I worked in the fields to help my parents. While attending school, I played all kind of sports but enjoyed martial arts the most. Boxing isn't considered a sport for women. But when I was adjudged the best boxer at state level sub-junior championship, I realized that this talent was a gift.
Rima says,
When you fight opponents heavier than you, do you feel scared? Rahul says,
What goes in your mind when you are in the ring? Mary Kom replies,
In the ring, I am focused. Distraction can cost heavily. I have confidence in my abilities. I train hard and regularly. Against stronger opponents, I rely on my speed. I get into the hit quickly and then get out even faster.
Rima says,
I am so inspired by you. Will you teach me boxing? Rahul says,
Me too. Mary Kom replies,
I teach boxing, but only to few students from Manipur. I do not take students from other states because I don't have the facilities. My students come from poor homes. I look after their stay and food. They jog in the jungle and train near my home. One of my students is a national champion. Many have left and gone. One needs grit to continue in this sport.
Rima says,
Was your journey to the Olympics long and tough? How difficult was it for you?
Mary Kom replies,
It wasn't easy. There are no shortcuts to success. I had to work hard and persevere. I never gave up even in the face of adversity. My family supported me. My husband encourages me to train and focus on my career. He manages the home and the academy in my absence. Rahul says,
The students of our school are looking forward to reading this interview in the school magazine. You are an inspiration to so many. Rima says,
Thank you for sparing your valuable time for us, ma'am.
Now we will come back to page 1 of chapter 1 for activity.
Warm up. A.
1. Who is your favorite sportsperson? 2. In what way is the sportsperson's achievement exceptional? 3. What are the major achievements of the sportsperson in the field? 4. In what way can the sportsperson be considered an inspiration for the students? 5. Paste the picture of the sportsperson in the marked space.
Page 2. B. Create a wall of fame in your class and display your write ups there. Activity 1. Listening. A.
Listen to Rahul and Rima interview Mary Kom. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. 1. Rahul and Rima interviewed Mary Kom for blank.
A.
Their school magazine.
B.
A local newspaper.
C.
Their school project.
D.
Knowledge about boxing. 2. As a child, Mary Kom enjoyed blank the most.
A.
Boxing,
B.
wrestling,
C.
martial arts,
D.
jogging. 3. Mary Kom helped her parents by blank.
A.
Teaching boxing in a school,
B.
working in the fields,
C.
giving interviews in papers,
D.
playing all kinds of sports. 4. In a fight against heavier champions, Mary blank
A.
gets scared and loses focus,
B.
gets distracted and is not able to concentrate,
C.
hits quickly and then gets out even faster,
D.
trains hard and regularly. 5. Mary Kom runs an academy only for students from Manipur as blank.
A.
She feels they are too poor to go anywhere else.
B.
She does not have facilities to take in more children.
C.
She looks after their food and stay.
D.
Others may have to work in fields.
Page 3. Activity 2. Speaking. A.
Discuss the qualities of a sports person in your group and complete the word web given here. There are 8 boxes. One of them is filled with the word dedication. You have to fill the other 7 with an adjective that suits a sports person.
B.
Talk about the qualities of a sports person. Chapter 1 Sports and Games ends here.
Interactions. Activity book on listening and speaking for classes 6 to 10. You were just listening to this audiobook. Read by Akash and Riya. Recorded by Bati Langlingdo and Vikas Sangwan. Production assistants Tanu Gupta. Directed and produced by Vandana Arimardan. This audiobook is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.